Hi friends, welcome to another Fitness First online class. And over this period of time, we have covered a lot of different exercises. So what I have got request, and it was a very unique request, and I really want to fulfill that request and oblige to that request, is that how to do a particular exercise properly. And today I'm going to make a very short video on one particular exercise, and I think I'm going to continue on this genre, making sure that I pick up one exercise every day and explain you how to do it with some graphic illustrations, right? I've tried to do that before, and you might, if you go through my tutorials, or probably not tutorials, but my list of videos that I've posted on Facebook, you might be able to see that I had tried it, and I'm going to try and continue with that. So the one that I'm going to pick today, just for the simplicity sake of it, and I would really love if you guys can give me feedback if I've done it correctly, is today I'm going to do a very simple and very widely known exercise as one arm shoulder press. Right, so let's get started with it. Now, one arm shoulder press is very simple. All you have to do is just have some weight here, right, and you have to press your hand up towards the ceiling or towards the sky and bring it down. Now here you can see in the graphics that the muscle in the red is the muscle that is active, that needs to be contracted, right? So it's this zone, these muscles, right? You can see in the graphics, they are known as the deltoids. Predominantly the muscle that we are using is the middle deltoid. There are three different deltoids, right? I'm going to show you a posterior view and a view from the back as well. Again, me doing it and also graphically. Alright, so I'm going to turn back. So here you can see three muscles, 1, 2, and in the front view you have seen the front one, right? So these are the muscles that you need to focus on.